What's up, guys? Crimpus here. I'm with Matt, Happy, and this Tyler.
I want to see it.
I'm trying to figure out what car this is, but I have no. The battery's down there. Of course, there is no emblem, which is annoying. I don't know if I can find a serial number on here. Oh, those are showing. Do you want to know what any of this is? Do you guys want a lesson on what any of this is?
What?
Do you want a lesson on what any of this is or no?
I think I would pass.
Do you want to listen on what any of this is?
Sure. Let's go.
Right here is called your strut. Got your spring, and well, I don't know what the hell this is. You got your shock. Bring it over here. Got your outer tie rod. Your fuck, what's it called? Okay, well I forgot what that was called. This is your drive shaft. Your boot. Not really much shit to explain. What's this? Oh, this is a Mercedes. Is this Mercedes? The engine's not in here, obviously. This right here?
Yeah.
That is your fluid level for something. I don't really know. What's this? I wonder where the engine is. I wonder what they did with that. Oh, there's your low. This is your lower suspension arm, your upper suspension arm. I think that's where your knuckle or whatever you want to call it. It's called a bunch of things. Oh, you know what? I'll show them the hood and see. Ow, fuck. Okay, so if any of you guys know what a hood this is, comment below. Yo, what is up, guys? We came to this historical site, I guess. It's a house.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Matt, your boy.
There's Matt's energy. I guess no one lives here. And then we're going to a waterfall, and we just saw, you guys just saw the car back there. That's a Saab Sonett 2. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing? What's up?
This is Dean DiGiacomo from Crimpus.
What's up? I got sunburn on my nose and it hurts like hell.
Damn.
But yeah.
He's pushing for 1,000 subs this year.
That's right.
Click that link in the bio and subscribe.
Hell yeah.
He's got some cool stuff. Link in the bio for that.
So yeah, we're on our way. Where? We're going to the bridge or the waterfall?
We're gonna be going to a bridge and a waterfall.
Oh. Alright.
Action-packed day. Vlogs will be on
yeah,
both of our channels. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Double vlog. Happy to get you shit.
Nope.
Yeah, happy's just neutral.
But otherwise, I'm gonna catch you guys when we get back in the woods.
See you guys at where? Are we going to Waterfall right now or the bridge?
Bridge.
Alright, so I'll see you guys at the bridge. Alright, we're on our way to the river. Yeah, we're going to the creek and then, or the river, whatever you want to call it, even though it's two different things. So, oh, there's something right here. Look at that. Yeah, Happy is just strolling along. And yeah, oh, and this summer we're climbing. You guys can't really see, but there's mountains back there. We're gonna go climbing up there. I guess someone felt creative.
Someone put a lot of work into this. Holy shit. Yo, team, what do you think?
I wonder what they were trying to accomplish here. Oh, whoa,
Holy
that's nice.
shit, yo.
Oh, this is for hunting,
You're
no?
like crashing someone's party? Someone built this shit.
Well, this looks like a place we're not supposed to be.
It's a hunting post?
Huh. Well.
We're gonna to walk out of here before someone steps in a bear trap.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Oh yeah, watch out.
We're gonna go back down towards the river. A lot of bottles in there.
That's out of money for recycling.
You can get some cash there.
Oh, watch out here. What the?
Little hole in the ground. Watch out for that shit. We're watching out for.
Yeah, we got a lot. Yeah.
Looks like a hunting area. It's not hunting season. It's private property, so we.
Oh yeah, it isn't. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, I don't even know any hunting rules or
We're gonna
anything.
get back on trail, and I'll catch you guys when we get down to the creek. All right.
Yeah, where is the creek, by the way?
Well, follow me down. I'll find the trail.
I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Well, see you guys there. So we made it to the river or creek, whatever you want to call it. Oh,
Can I go first?
it's whatever.
Very low here.
Yeah, it's like what Matt said, it's extremely low.
Anyone have
Not
food
the
with them?
cleanest.
Nope.
No,
So
why?
I'm gonna throw it in and see if like anything comes, and that's it.
I'm guessing the waterfall is the completely opposite way of this.
The waterfall's downstream.
Waterfall's so
Oh.
much better.
When we go to the mountains, I mean.
Oh wait, do we? Oh yeah, there's a tree right there we can cross.
Oh yeah, we
The tree
can.
That's where Joe falls in.
right there. A log, a tree. That we hopefully. Wow, that water's
I think
disgusting.
this is the way we're gonna come with the log.
Oh, there's a building back there. Someone's
Yo,
house.
what's that like? What's up with that ice? Or
That's
not
good.
ice, water.
Is that
I'm
ice?
gonna start
I know,
vlogging.
I meant water.
I'm gonna start vlogging them when we get to
Water.
the bridge. Let's
Water.
Let's get the fuck out of here now.
Oh yeah, let's go to the bridge. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the bridge to the waterfall. Got this long way we gotta walk. It looks pretty cool back there. Yeah, why not?
Alright.
Well, no, let's first go on the bridge first and then we'll come back down. Ooh,
Yeah. you come
watch
here.
out guys, holy.
Come over here.
That's what I'm starting
It's not sturdy?
That's
No.
great.
Oh, wow.
You think Biddy dead today?
This flies everywhere.
I gotta see if people are catching anything. And if you step here too, there's not gas here. Where I'm stepping.
Oh yeah, right here.
For vlogging.
Oh my god, imagine my glasses fell, holy sh.
Oh my god.
That would suck.
Alright guys, so we made it out to the bridge.
Alright, now let's go on this side. Oh, this is so fucking risky.
The bridge.
Alright, Nat, you
Dude, at any moment.
What's up?
Her phone.
Where is it?
Your bag.
You want it?
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, I gotta get half your phone. It's in my string bag.
Dude, at any moment this can come undone. You know that, right?
Yeah.
That's part of life. Go
So
on.
just think ahead and see what you can hang
Kayakers
on
down
to
there.
before this thing falls.
Where's the other
Dude, look how
side?
thick this is. Holy shit.
There's Dean.
This canoeing.
Oh,
There's
Christ.
Kathy.
Why do you have your headphones?
I don't know. Got it.
Yeah, hold on.
Got some fishermen having a good time. Probably can't see. Want to go back down underneath?
Yeah.
We'll
Let's go
back
down.
underneath.
Watch out here.
Okay. It's nice and cool underneath. You can go out on the rocks and stuff. I fished down there.
Yo, I wonder when
before.
this bridge was built.
This bridge is pretty old, I believe. Don't know exactly when it was built.
Stuff here. Ooh.
There are
That
gaps
don't
and
look
stuff
fun.
that are fucking scary. You put your foot through one of those.
Ooh.
You're not gonna fall through completely.
We're going down there right here.
Yeah, we're gonna be down here. Watch out for bees.
You got it, Toyota. That's good.
Bees are my biggest concern. I'm doing these vlogs. I stepped in softball.
Just underneath.
Last time I came here, there was a table. That shit's gone.
Oh.
This is
Yeah.
just dump of trash. Really cool down here. It's the cool place
Oh my
to
god,
hang
so
and
much glass here. Holy. Oh, a hinge.
dump. The water's down here. The water's pretty hot right now.
Holy crap.
Oh, this is where.
Yeah.
Kayaking
Oh yeah, guys, keep it. God, wait, Matt, keep it a surprise.
Keep it a surprise.
Yeah. Well, we can give them hints, but
what I'm gonna
guys,
say is we're gonna
This
be
is gonna be
getting-
one of the locations of something that we're gonna be
Yeah.
doing this summer. It's gonna be exciting. Hopefully nothing bad happens. We've been planning this out for like what, a month and a half maybe.
Yeah, a month and a half this summer, midsummer when
We
it's
might
really
start
hot.
here or another location we have in mind.
We
Depends.
may board here, but we're gonna be getting on a kayak and
Something
that's
else.
all I'm gonna
yeah.
be telling you. Cause it's gonna be like
It's gonna be. It's gonna be an awesome video. Let's go on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be the. Yeah, actually, it will be the biggest video. I don't know how long the video will be, but we're gonna film some cool stuff. This is the other. Actually, no, here. We can't go on that side. This is the other side of the bridge.
It's gonna be me,
Also,
me and Dean's brother.
there's a water bottle right there. Right
Another view
there.
of the bridge.
Nice.
Happy getting that photography shit done.
Oh yeah, she does the photography.
There's some more trails back there. I don't know if you guys want to go back there or not.
Yeah, what's your account?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Say it again. Say it again.
Okay, Parmar Photography _.
All right, you guys
Okay.
got that. I'll put it in the
Yeah,
description.
Yeah, you better, Dean.
Or pop tag, even though I don't really know how to do that, but I'll figure it
I
out.
don't know what that is.
Yeah, put Happy's YouTube link in there too. She doesn't even have a YouTube.
I
We'll put her
on the app
Instagram.
YouTube.
We'll put her
Yeah,
photography
I don't-
Instagram in.
Definitely go check out Crimpy.
Yeah, guys, check out Matt. I'll put his description, the link. No, put his link in the description. Messed that one up.
Biggest part of this video is probably gonna be the waterfall, and that's where we're heading.
Yeah, we're heading to the waterfall. Guys, honestly, just go exploring. It's the best thing ever.
Stranger coming towards us right
Go grab your friends and go exploring.
We'll see you guys
Got
at
that
the
side over
waterfall,
there.
Unless we get shot by this guy.
Oh, oh.
Someone's beeping. Not a fisherman again.
Down, let's walk on this side.
Yo, I'm gonna hang out with you guys.
There we go over here.
Look at that shit. I'm not gonna skate you guys all the way to the waterfall, but I'm gonna make sure you guys can.
Guys, there's 4 slabs here. No, well, yeah, I guess 4 slabs here of thick, probably a ½ inch metal. Or steel, I should say. Oh, shit, that's a spot. Okay, yeah, guys, so I'll get back to you guys when we get to the waterfall.
Let's get the fuck off this bridge before the break.
Well, it is steel, so it's pretty much made to hold. There they are. That's the crew right there.
We're heading down here. It's kind of.
Oh, didn't even see there was a ramp right there. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Alright, so
what
we're going down here.
I'm going straight. Happy's going off that way. I'd rather go straight, guys.
Wait, no, it's going to this bridge, too.
All right, they want to go on the here too.
Imagine changed my mind. Alright, gotta be careful here. Hashtag YouTuber dies from jumping off rock.
I've been down here.
Alright, this is the other side. Ooh, artsy. Oh, there, guys, go follow NYS Loud, wherever that is.
Yeah, we'll check that out. Maybe throw it in the video at the end. C+H up there. And you
Oh,
can actually know this shit in the
There's
mud.
all mud. Oh, well, no, dove is
Oh,
mud.
shit, yeah, all mud, all mud.
Oh, can I get over here?
Oh, happy Earth Day!
Oh,
Happy Earth Day,
It's Earth
everybody.
Day.
Look at all
Ooh.
this trash. Happy Earth Day. Don't litter.
okay.
Happy Earth Day. No littering. No littering, alright? I want to see dirty
Ooh.
bottles. When you pick up your bottles, throw them in the trash. Right there. If you see trash, you pick it up. You
Matt, you just...
throw it. Happy Earth Day.
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna head back towards the dock now and make our way to the waterfall.
Alright.
Yeah. It's the river, even though we're already here, but, they're fishing.
I don't know if I'm gonna
They're enjoying
film them.
fishing.
I'm
Got the
gonna go
nice
ask them if they're camping.
water here. The waters. Yeah, just got the waters here. They're probably looking at me back, but they don't care. We're gonna go down here.
Come down here.
So,
Fall in there?
if I fall, you guys are gonna save me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm pulling them for a nice swim.
There's a bridge over there. Yeah, let's go over here. Oh,
Happy also knocked on that creepy ass house over there. Remember when you knocked on that old lady's house?
Yeah. You're my
What is
shot.
that?
Move it.
Where's
I
all-
got some nice-
Move it.
You see that rusted thing?
Oh shit. You guys see that right there? There we go, right there.
Is that the can I fucking threw?
Where?
It's just floating.
Yeah, that's it, Matt.
Dude.
Oy.
There's a bridge over there. So yeah, these people are just fishing over here. Nice river over here. Got some nice backgrounds of the mountains. Got some motorcyclists. Happy's back there.
Hey.
Wait. Oh, damn, I messed this up already.
Alright, so
Yeah, it's perfect weather here.
it's just
It's like what, 60 or somewhere in the 50s. Ooh, backfire.
They're just all looking like.
This is just the wind, the breeze, the river, everything.
Got that over there. This is a nice little place right here.
Right downstream.
Oh, we gotta cross this road?
That's where it gets risky. Yeah, we're gonna go through the tracks. It's a dock up there where we're
Alright, so we gotta cross the road up here. I don't know where we are.
I'm gonna go
But,
stop
yeah.
in and give you guys
So-
a sneak peek of our summer vlog. It's a big surprise.
I'll come back to you guys.
Please, come on.
I'm gonna come back to you guys when we get to the river because I don't want to get hit by a car right now. So this is a hint of what's gonna be happening this summer.
This is right
Um,
where we're gonna be boarding.
I already told you guys we're taking a canoe somewhere.
Yeah, but you gotta watch to find out where we go. Right?
Yeah, the only reason why I'm saying sneak peek is because it's gonna be an awesome video, and we're gonna do it during the middle of the summer maybe. It's definitely happening though. We've been setting up for like a month and a half. Happy's taking some pictures.
Happy's just getting some pictures done. That's really much. You know, that's really all there is to see around this area.
Oh, I saw. Was that a fish?
I'm gonna get back to you guys. You know, when we get to that dope ass waterfall, it's gonna be really cool. Like the waterfall is so cool.
Look at
I'm begging you.
look at
Please
Matt's
watch.
sunglasses. Like, damn.
Up in here.
Here's my sunglasses. Yep.
Yep.
So,
All right.
All we're going to that.
Oh, look at that. And what's
We're
this?
out.
A little piece of metal right there. Oh yeah. So we'll see you guys when we get to the waterfall. Oh, look that up. Anyways, where'd you get those sunglasses, by the way?
Got them at a Family Dollar store for
Nice.
$6.
All right, guys. So we are at the dam or the waterfall.
Holy shit, we got the strap wire here. Watch the fuck out. All right, we're making our way to the waterfall. It's right
Yep.
up here.
Nice
It's
little
gonna get
waterfall.
loud, so we're gonna have to start screaming in the camera. The fucking
Yeah,
water-
what Matt's saying. It's weird because we vlog at the same time. Oh well.
We're gonna vlog at the same time. We'll try
Yep.
to put subtitles in if you can't hear.
No, YouTube automatically does it. Well, no, you gotta set it, but
And
what? Yeah, it's called the
there
Damn
is
Happy.
a factory on the other side too.
Is that factory? Wait, is it in business?
Very hard to get to. We've never found a way to get to it.
Is it? Wait, it's out of business.
Trying to find a way to get to it.
Okay.
We're not today, but right out here, the waterfall. So
How do we enter?
Oh, you'll see. You'll see.
Is it fun?
See, I hope you don't hold your shoes on.
What?
Hold your shoes on.
Have my shoes on?
Yeah, make sure you don't fall off.
Oh, okay. Why is it slippery?
You see the gate right there?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah.
You film this for me
Yeah.
real quick? Dean's gonna film me tying my shoes.
That's gotta tie his shoes. Let's get a close up of this.
Alright, so we're gonna...
Just say tie shoes, guys, if you don't know how.
Anyone else tie their shoes like me, or you got it your own way? Let me know in the comments
Yeah.
below. Safety first. Here we
Safety
go.
is number one priority. All right, so we gotta go on here.
Holy shit!
Happy said,
Right up ahead is where I almost
be
busted my
careful.
nuts a couple
So-
months ago. I'll show you that app. Happy
Um,
foam at the bag. You can hear the roar. Holy
Huh.
shit! You gotta watch out for this thing when we kayak. This fucking
here we go.
We're gonna have to go around this waterfall and then the boat. We're going in.
Yeah, let's do this thing. Guys, subscribe and leave a like if you enjoy exploring videos, and if you guys want me to do more of them with Matt and Happy.
One day we're gonna get to that point. It's all fenced off.
What bridge? Oh, this?
Right there. Yeah, it's all fenced off.
All right, so
Holy
wow,
shit. Shit is roaring, bro.
look at that. Now I don't know if you guys can hear me. You probably can, but it's extremely loud. Okay, we're about to go down right now. Holy crap. Be careful. Be careful for that right there. All right, we're good. We're good. All right, let's get on here. Wow.
Here we are. Holy shit.
So we gotta wait till Happy. Happy called me to wait. Oh wait, we just go right here. All right, so I'm going on the outside. Oh, this is pretty cool. All right, we gotta be careful here. All right. Whoa.
Here we go.
Whoa. Yeah, Matt Young over there. We're so hyped right now.
I like lost my voice.
Look at that. Holy shit. Wow. Whoa. Yo, Matt, hold my phone like this. I get a, hold it tight, got it?
13, I'm filming it right now. Alright, this is for Dean's channel, Trippin'! Everybody sub! Sub to Trippin'!
You wanna go now?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go now. Dean's gonna take my camera.
Alright. Hey guys, Matt's going right now. You good?
I'm good, I'm good.
Ready?
Alright, let's try that again. Here, take my bag this time, that's the problem.
Look Happy down there. Subscribe to Matt Young!
Oh! Yes!
Get off!
Let's go! Let's go!
Hell yeah! Woo! Happy!
There's Happy!
Let's go down to Happy.
Wait.
Oh shit. Alright. Yeah, I got that. Oh, someone has one. Someone's fishing. Look at that.
I lost my
fishing.
Holy shit.
Whoa.
The mist is getting on my camera. Look at that.
Cold. It's extremely cold. Oh, I'm getting water everywhere. Oh shit. It feels good to miss. Alright, we're gonna attempt to go over here without falling in.
Hopefully you can hear me a little better
What's
now.
that?
Who wants to see me get in that building? Who wants to see me go in?
Guys. Wait, should we? Hey, Matt.
Stream what? Hot dog. Alright,
dog.
everyone stream on the count of 5.
Everyone scream hot dog.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5. Hot dogs!
Woo! Matt, look. There's a hole right at that window right there.
It is so creepy.
Wait, you think we can get in?
We're getting in this summer. This summer.
If we can, guys, I'm gonna make a video. Hit that like button if you want to see us try and get into here.
We're
gonna try.
Next to the water.
Yeah, it's an abandoned factory. Next to a dam. I think it's a factory. I don't know.
I used to be able to walk down here. Now it's all covered up.
You did?
Yeah, there was like all platform here, and it's just all covered with water now.
You used to stand right there.
I stand right in the middle out there.
Oh, I guess it's really flooded.
is much better. One last thing on the waterfall. Then in 10 minutes, we get back to the car.
Look at that.
Hope you guys enjoyed the fucking waterfall. You probably
What? I'm so, oh, fuck. Wait, let's go. Hang on, hang on.
How much would you pay me if I got on that rock?
What rock?
That one right in the middle.
Alright, we're rock climbing right now. Alright, guys. Look at this.
Whoa, holy
Shit. Well, I just slipped. Alright. Insane. Guys, we got back. We got to this another bridge right here. Look at this. Insane. Got mountains over there. Oh, focus. Yeah, we got the mountains over there.
And this bridge is a lot more.
Ew, what the heck is that?
It's not as nice over there, but here. It's just a good jump spot to jump off.
This bridge is safer and more.
Don't know what that is, all this white stuff, but
This bridge is more safe because.
it's so cool.
But it's more dangerous because there's no fucking rail. So you can just fall off.
Yeah, seriously, if one little wrong step, you're done.
That's good.
Um,
Don't cut yourself there. Maybe a couple scratches. But, you know.
ew, look at that.
Not much left on this. Like, today's
What?
vlog is pretty much
Do a flip.
dying out.
Oh, wait, can you get
I
right?
will get back to you guys one more time before this ends. We'll
Oh,
probably
you can
stop,
sit right
grab
there.
something to
Don't
eat,
drop your phone.
and I will let you
Do I
guys
wanna
know
go
what
there?
Fine. Peace. Fuck.
What
the fuck? You wanna go in there?
Yo, hang on, Matt, hold my phone.
Going down? Guess what? Something interesting just happened. Dean said he's going down. So this is really risky. I don't know how he has enough balls to do this, but I'm gonna film it.
As a treating this
He wants to go down here.
My only concern is, can I get back up, though?
That is a concern you have to take into.
I'm not
You gotta-
really one for this,
Let's see, will he do it? You know, I'm not. I
mean,
don't
I'll
fuck
do
with
it.
heights. I'm not really scared of them, but I just don't mess with
You
it.
can pull me up, right?
I could pull you up. You could probably step on that rock, right? So there goes Dean. Watch him like disappear on the edge here. It looks like there's no, but there he goes. Dean's gone. No, he's not. I'm just kidding. He's here. Dean's okay.
Hey, you only live once. You gotta do it one day.
Yep. You only live once. Take risks. A lot of people.
you think I'm gonna die for this?
There's a lot of old people that say like what they would do to make their life more interesting looking back. And people like, if you're over 95 years old, they'll tell you take more risks with your life.
Makes your body like going forward.
Dean is down there. It's got to be a little scary down there, but
Oh no.
there's another platform there. I'm just trying not to drop my camera.
Yeah, I'm sitting here.
And I'm hoping that Dean doesn't fall. Alright, Dean's going to take my camera down. He's going to show you guys some
Yeah,
stuff.
just,
There we go.
Lady. Now you have diabetes. You can.
I do have diabetes.
what's up, guys? Here. I'm filming on Matt's camera because my phone's at like 24% and I needed to call my parents so I can get back home. Like, I don't know how to get back home. Actually, that's a
He's
lie.
just chilling now.
But look. See, this is cool. Happy and Matt. Happy, where are you? Oh, there she is.
Should I come down or no?
Yeah, just yeah. I'm gonna film Matt coming down. This is a, dude, this is a view you cannot see through videos. Only through the eye. Sorry, trying to be like a little bit like motivational here. Sorry.
Alright, I'm good.
You got it?
I'm just chill here when it's.
Happy, you wanna come down?
I'd honestly come here and eat lunch one day and just chill.
Yo, let's go on the edge over there.
Alright,
Yo,
so I'm
honestly,
down.
I'm always scared one day that I won't
Alright,
be able
you
to get
got it.
back up, you know? Yeah.
Dean still got my camera. This is going to my vlog too. It does feel like my body's going forward.
Yeah, I know, right? Feels like the gravity's pushing you forward. Here.
We're down here.
It's one little mess up and you're.
One little slip, you are fucked. Remember that song from Chicken Little, One Little Slip? That's Holy.
Guys, I'm on the edge right now.
You probably live with the water. It looks deep enough, but.
It's so because it's so easy to fuck this up. Hey, Matt. Matt.
Here we are.
Happy, lean your head in.
Happy's throwing rocks now and it's making me like.
Happy, lean your head in. Is it? Because I gotta get you in the. Lean your head in.
There she is.
Come out a little bit more, please.
Don't fall now, alright?
Oh, I don't know. Okay. Alright, yeah, let's get.
Dean's giving me the camera back. It is your boy Matt Young back.
This is...
Look at this shit. Like we're so.
No, Matt, give me your camera. Hold on.
Dean's getting it back.
What's up, guys? Laying right here. You know,
It's very peaceful here. We're about to head back home.
I'm on the edge.
He's on the edge of glory.
Man, you guys only got one life, so do the most you can in it. Cause you live your life like you only got one.
This is like the final
Not
level.
like you got two.
Final level of Super Mario World 8.
Yeah.
You got one life left. You're going up in the final castle. You fuck up, you fuck.
Don't take shit for granted.
Can't do that.
Enjoy every little bit you can. Wait here, wait here.
That's our life lesson for the day.
Yeah.
We're gonna climb back up
There's
now.
something over there. Hey.
There goes Dean. Happy's here. And we will see you guys back when probably at the deli.
Here, wait, give Happy the camera so she can
There's
show
Happy
us.
the camera.
Happy. Here, take this and aim it at us coming back up.
Okay. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Coming back up.
Aim like over, like can you come over, like over to the left a little. There you go.
Make sure
you get me climbing up.
I got you, Dean. Jeez.
So Dean is photography, so
Hey guys, Crimp is here.
it's too hard to get back up. I think coming down is more.
One. Next one.
There's one. We're 1 for 1. Are we gonna go 2 for 2?
May I want to hold on to your hand?
What is this, Wendy's?
Alright. We're back up.
We're back
Wait,
up.
one more before we leave.
Happy throwing one more rock.
Yo, wait, let's all throw a rock at the same time.
Alright, we're all gonna throw a rock at the same time. Yay.
On go.
Alright, ready?
Okay, on go. 3,
2, 1, go.
Alright guys, so we're walking on this trail that we just found. We're walking along the river or creek, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I can't really call much because my battery's dying, but yeah, man, we're just focused on the present, just living life and enjoying it. Great feeling. You don't have to worry. All your worries just go. You don't have to worry about time. You don't have to worry about anything, which is the best way to live life. What is it? That's a geese. There's a geese right there, guys. There's a jet like right there. The mountains over there. Some old factory or whatever. I fucking hate you. So we're just here walking down this thing. Oh wait, we're near your
Pointy building right there. Up there.
where?
Back there, there's a pointy tower.
Oh yeah.
That's the waterfall, I think, the building.
Look at the mountain over there, guys. Oh, and I almost just fell.
Safe inside.
Hey guys, we made it back safely. We helped a stray dog today. I don't have footage of that though, so I want to respect the family's privacy and all that. So yeah, today was fun. It felt longer than 3 hours, but we're on our way back, sadly.
Yeah, I didn't want this day to end.
Leave a like if you guys want more videos. I mean, if you guys don't, I'm still gonna make the videos, but.
Follow Parmar Photography.
Oh yeah, I gotta put Happy's Instagram photography. Do you want your personal Instagram or no?
Sure.
Sub
Alright.
to my channel too.
I'll put all that in the description.
My channel will be in the bio.
I think I'm only following your photography. I'm not sure. I gotta,
There's our pool.
oh.
You don't. I'm ashamed.
That's our
Oh.
pool.
Okay, well, oh yeah, that's their pool. Anyways, before I show you guys where Matt lives, I'm gonna end the vlog. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, slap that like button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace out and game on.